Hey there, welcome to a new video. Today, let's dive into a common problem that many desktop computer users might face. Imagine you have a desktop computer that was manufactured in 2019 and you're thinking about upgrading your storage configuration. The manual only mentions support for 1 or 2 2.5-foot SATA HDDs, leaving you wondering if a 2.5 SATA SSD would fit in without any issues. In terms of a solution, yeah, it'll physically fit. When it comes to desktop computers, especially with the ones from 2019, you probably won't even need to worry about the Z height. A 2.5-foot SATA SSD is likely the standard thinner size, making it a great fit for your setup. And the good news is that in most cases, assuming your operating system supports it, like Windows 7 and onwards, or most current Linux distributions, the transition to an SSD should be smooth sailing. In summary, if you're looking to upgrade your desktop computer storage to a faster and more efficient option like a 2.5 SATA SSD, you're in luck. Not only will it physically fit into your system without hassle, but with the right OS support, it should work seamlessly. So, go ahead and make that upgrade with confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And who knows, maybe your desktop is about to get a speed boost faster than you can say SSD. See you next time.